Alright, we're gonna fell a tree. It's time to fell a tree! Alright. So we're going to fell a small tree. That ryobi that we unboxed, made the cleanest. Stand by. Or not. See, now here's the point of doing felling trees. Well, actually, felling these little trees and not the big ones will actually get rid of all these vines. So if we lock down on the little ones, some of them are so little you almost need loppers. What you want to do to these little ones is debark them.
Ow.
And then go on. And if you can do that, see how much clearer it is? I'm gonna get in a shot. Let's see. Actually, let's go up here and cut this one down. Either of those four, I don't care. You might even have to go back down in the ditch to do it. You want to go at it from, you want to turn the X around? Chop it that way. But I'd go straight down to the base of it. So see you in there.
Yep.
Because it just bounces around when it's not the base. Physically impossible to get to. Oh, what's in it? Are there eggs in it?
I can't see. There's too many things in the way.
Ow. No. Alright, well, we'll leave. Ah! Oh. Ow. Ow. As you can see, he removes each branch one at a time. Anything but the tree that has the nest.